HappyBrains TV?
One little lion roaring so loud, hear him roar, he's so proud. Roar, roar, can you roar too? One little lion at the zoo. Two tall giraffes reaching up high, stretch their necks to touch the sky. Can you count them? One and two, two tall giraffes at the zoo. Three big bears dancing around, they shake and wiggle to the sound. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Three big bears as happy as can be. Four striped zebras running so fast, racing by as they dash past. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four striped zebras, let's count some more. Fierce tigers with stripes so bright, roaming the jungle, a stunning sight. Let's count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five fierce tigers full of light. 6 gentle deer grazing on grass, they hop and skip as we walk past. Count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 gentle deer, such a lovely mix. 7 big elephants, trunks in the air, spraying water everywhere. Count their trunks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 big elephants having fun in heaven. 8 strong gorillas pounding their chests, they swing on vines and love to rest. Count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 strong gorillas, they're really great. 9 cheetahs, 9 fast cheetahs, watch them zoom, running so quickly they fill the room. Count their spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fast cheetahs, looking so fine. 10 playful monkeys swinging on trees, jumping around with so much ease. Count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 playful monkeys, our counting's at the end. We've counted 1 to 10 with our zoo friends, learning numbers that never ends. Animals and counting, what a fun time, let's sing it again one more